my name is Tesia Bryski. I'm so happy to be here teaching the 6th class Introduction to Meditation series here with Yoga with Kassandra. So I'm a meditation and a yoga teacher here in Ottawa. I also work as a psychotherapist in private practice. So most of my practice is centralized around mindfulness-based interventions in therapy. So we can see here how that would be really useful in dealing with day-to-day life stress, managing anxiety, expectations, and so on and so forth. So over the next 6 classes, you'll be guided through a series of different styles of meditation. So the meditations, essentially, they range from probably about 5 minutes to 30 minutes towards the end of the series. So I'll be leading you through awareness of breath, awareness of thoughts, a little bit of a body scan, and culminating with one of my personal favorites, the loving kindness or METTA Meditation, for more of a befriending stance on our experience. So my journey with meditation actually began when I was a pretty stressed out young 17, 18-year-old undergrad student. I found that the easiest way for me to find a little bit more steadiness in my day-to-day life was just by focusing on my breath, on my breathing. I remember somebody once mentioned that I kind of needed to slow it down a little bit, so I just practiced every single day, coming back to my breath, and I noticed over a pretty good period of time that even just that focused awareness on my present experience really helped manage some of the life stressors. And sometimes we notice the mind jumping 6 steps ahead when what we really need to focus on is right here. So meditation for me is about remaining very present and remaining very still in our experience. It's not necessarily about how long we can stay focused or how long we can stay with the breath, but it's about our ability to come back to the present moment, even if you need to do so 50 times, 100 times, 1,000 times in the span of a guided meditation. It's all about returning to what's going on right now and treating the present moment with a non-judgmental awareness, even if it means being a little bit more compassionate, a little bit more forgiving, and a little kinder to ourselves. So I'm really hoping you all join me in this wonderful experience as we really dive into meditation and how it all works. I look forward to seeing you on the mat.